Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a new Colab Research notebook and immediately mount your drive so data is available. Once done, set the runtime to GPU or TPU to match your workload, because training speed hinges on that choice. Next, install any pip packages you need and confirm Python versions. Make sure to load only required dependencies to save time and memory. This prevents slow imports and runtime restarts that interrupt your experiment flow. You'll now structure data and convert it into efficient input pipelines so training runs smoothly. Once your dataset is accessible, preprocess and cache or shard it. This reduces I/O bottlenecks. Use TF, Data or PyTorch data loader with batching, prefetch, and parallel reads to maximize throughput. Also script periodic checkpoints to drive or cloud storage. That way, if a runtime disconnects, you can resume. Finally, profile a small epoch to validate performance before scaling up to full runs. You execute the full experiment while monitoring metrics and resource usage to catch issues early. Stream logs to TensorBoard or a tracking service so you can compare runs and catch divergence. Meanwhile, watch RAM and GPU utilization to adjust batch size. When finished, export results to drive and snapshot code for reproducibility. If the session dies, remount drive, reinstall any packages, and restore the most recent checkpoint. That single recovery step prevents wasted compute and lost progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.